पेला हो सलाम शमाए बज़ में यत पेला हो सलाम जिस सू
Oh mountains of Makkah, what can you say of the day that Abraham passed your way, and he was instructed by God to build a house of peace where people will pray, and they will come on every lean, camel and out of every ravine, for the purpose of praising Allah, to glorify Allah. O mountains of Makkah, what can you tell of the day when stones from the sky fell, destroying an army determined to break the house of Allah that Abraham built? O mountains of Makkah, how was the dawn on the day that my Prophet Muhammad was born? How did it feel knowing he was to be the last and most beloved of all, Rasul of Allah, Nabi of Allah? O mountains of Makkah, you were there when the Prophet Muhammad climbed down in despair. Engraved in his heart were the words of the Lord, to all mankind this was his call. La ilaha illallah, Muhammadur Rasulullah. O people, praise only Allah, glory